Welcome to KGS Digital Marketing. In this session, we are going to see about who can learn digital marketing course, what is digital marketing, syllabus of digital marketing, career in digital marketing, and salaries in digital marketing. First of all, we should know who can learn this digital marketing course. Students of degree, BBA, MBA, any degree, can be any UG degree or PG degree, can learn this digital marketing course. Working professionals who want to switch their career can learn this course. Business owners who really wanted to promote their businesses through digital marketing. Homemakers who can earn money through online can join this course. Okay, what is digital marketing? First of all, we should know the concept of marketing. Marketing, the activities of a company undertakes to promote the buying or selling of a product or service. In digital marketing, the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communications. Okay, now we can move on to the syllabus of digital marketing. Website design, SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, SMO, that is social media optimization, SMM, that is social media marketing. Then comes email marketing, Google Analytics, affiliate marketing. Okay, now we can see one by one module of a digital marketing, website design. Here designing will be taught without coding. It will be a 1 week class. After completing this 1 week class, you'll be able to create a nice professional website. Let me show you one website which is designed without coding. This is our website, KGS Digital Marketing. Likewise, we can create nice professional website. Next module is search engine optimization, SEO. As we all know, the search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, we can take one example search engine called Google. In Google, when we search for best schools near me, okay, it is showing some of the results in this search engine's results page. This is the search engine's results page. Here it is showing some of the results about the search best school near me. Okay, Just Dial is showing top schools in Tambaram and list of top CBSE schools in Tambaram, list of schools. It's showing some of the results which is not ad. They are not running ads here. Okay, they are display. This is the organic results. If it is ad means it will show as AD here. This is all done by search engine optimization technique. Okay, here this search engine optimization technique helps the business to rank on top of the SERP in order to get the high leads. So in SEO, search engine optimization, we will cover how search engine works, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, server-side optimization, algorithms, etc. Okay, and next comes the module called SEM, that is search engine marketing. Okay, in the search engine marketing, we are going to run ads on search engine in order to get the top rank position in the SERP. As we all know, the popular search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. You can take a popular search engine, Google. Google Ads. Okay. Here, this Google Ads can be called, otherwise called PPC, CPC, that is pay per click, cost per click. Okay. Here, Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google where advertisers pay Google to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listing, video content, and get mobile application installs within Google Ad Network to the web users. First, we can know the structure of the SCRP. Okay. Let me show you in Google. When we type the keyword called builders in US, it will show some of the results in the SCRP. Okay, here the structure is top 3 to 4 ads will be there, and in the bottom of the SCRP, there will be 3 ads. In between these ads, you can see the 10 organic results. Okay, these organic results will be obtained by search engine optimization, that is SEO techniques. Okay, these ads, previously what happened, they'll be showing as AD, nowadays they are displaying as sponsored. Okay, here this ad we have to pay for Google in order to get our website in the top of the SCRP. Okay, in Google Ads, the bidding is closed bidding, which is not known by the competitor at all. What budget they are spending for the ad. These are all closed one. Let me show you the Google Ads network one by one. In Google, type as digital marketing course online, showing some of the results in the SCRP. These type of results are called search network, search ads. The ad will be in the text format. Now we can search for a website NDTV News. Okay, and while going into the website of NDTV News, it's showing some ads in the in this page. Here you can see ad here and here, GeoMart ad for smartwatches. Okay, this is the image ad they have given for GeoMart. And in the right hand side also we can see the ad for home lane for modular kitchens. Okay, in such a way we have to optimize ads. These ads are called display network. Okay, it can be image, banner, or GIF. Okay, now we can see the shopping ads, how the shopping ads will be. When we search for best shoes for men, it's showing some of the results here. Okay, when we click to this particular image, it will redirect to their landing page of their website. Okay, in such a way the shopping ads will be created. When we click one YouTube video, it will show some ads, right? Here it's showing HP printer ad here. These ads are called video ads. It can be a skippable ad or non-skippable ad based upon the campaign creation. In Google Ads, we will cover search network, display network, video ads, shopping ads, mobile app ads, remarketing, and conversion tracking, advanced bidding strategies, etc. In SEO, what happens? It is a long process. It may take time of 3 months, 6 months, based upon the optimization. In SEM, what happens? We can easily attain by proper bidding and campaign creation on the top of the SCRP. Next module is social media optimization, SMO. This technique helps you to do what you are doing even better, from improving engagement to gaining new followers. Okay. In SMO, we will cover algorithms used to follow in all social media platforms for engagement, posting content professionally, rules to follow, and the basic principles of posting schedule for your business, proper content creation, how to create images, videos, business pages, etc. These are all the things we are going to cover in social media optimization. In social media optimization, it's a free one. In digital marketing language, we call it as organic. In social media marketing, it's a paid one. We have to pay for social media for running ads. As you can see in the television, based upon the TRP rating, for a popular show in particular timing, 2 lakhs views are there. So I'm going to charge 1 lakh rupees for 2 to 3 times ad running in my channel. In television, the audience will be in wide range. For example, a 12-year guy will watch the show. A 65-year-old women will also watch the show. And 50-year men will watch the program. Okay. So here, if I run ads in this show for digital marketing training, will this 12-year guy will join my course? No. 65-year-old women will join my course? Not possible. 50-year men will join my course? No. Okay. My target is 20 to 40 years by age, male by gender. Location targeting is Calcutta. The radius of 15 kilometer. It can be a rich person's or poor person's. Here, every data is known by Google and social media platforms. It's a detailed targeting. With the help of this detailed targeting, I can get high ROI, that is return on investment. That is the beauty of digital marketing here. In social media marketing, we will cover how to create a Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, remarketing, conversion tracking, etc. Next module is email marketing. It's one of the way of promoting product or services of a business through email. Okay. For example, we can take, we want to send 500 emails for the required audience. It's a process of one by one sending the email is possible. It's a time consuming process. In order to avoid that and send bulk emails, we use tools here. Okay. Nowadays, there are so many email marketing tools are available. I will teach you one email marketing tool, how to use it, and how to create email marketing campaigns, how to create a welcome email, promotional emails, seasonal emails, triggered emails. These are the things you're going to see. How to create a group name and form a list for creating email marketing, tags. These are all things you're going to see in the email marketing. Next module is affiliate marketing. It's a promotion of other people's products or services and getting a small commission for each sale. Some of the affiliate marketing associates are Amazon, Flipkart, ClickBank, etc. In this affiliate marketing course, we are going to cover how to do affiliate marketing, what are the mistakes we should not do while doing affiliate marketing, we should avoid, how we can earn money online easily through affiliate marketing. These are the things we are going to cover in affiliate marketing. So there are plenty of opportunities there in digital marketing field. Here, coder means they are learning .NET or Java means a coder needed company only will hire you. Okay. As in the concern of digital marketer, what happens? Educational institution, hospitals, software companies, fashion products, agencies, hotels, etc. of any kind of business will hire digital marketers to maintain their online presence and get the high lead generation. So here it's a vast job opportunities are there in digital marketing field. So as a fresher, you can get 10 to 20,000 of salary. Okay. First of all, guys, you work for the skill and experience. Don't work for the salary. Okay. After 2 to 3 years of experience, you will get a nice, good salary as of a software company employee. You can also do freelancing jobs. You can create a website design, can do social media optimization, social media marketing, search engine optimization. Okay, in website design, you can charge a client or for a basic website you can charge for 40,000. Okay. And as in the case of SEO, search engine optimization, you can charge from 10,000 to 20,000. For a month, you can charge for a client. You can start taking the projects. In SEM, after completing the course, you will be able to get 6 Google certifications. Here, 80% is the pass criteria in that Google certifications. Course duration is 2 months course, and we'll be providing a free domain and hosting for practicing. After completion of the class, we will be providing some tasks to have hands-on experience, and also class recording will be provided. That's all about the demo session of digital marketing training. If you want further inquiry and information, visit us at www.kgsdigitalmarketing.com or call 979 1111 072. Thanks for watching.